Hey y'all, welcome back to Amazing Grace Garden. Welcome back my AGG family. Okay, so ladybugs. Hey, I went to one of the local nursery, not nursery, I know. It was a local grocery store who has a nursery, okay? okay. Let me get that together. And oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. I got some goodies, and guess what? They was $2 for a 4-pack of starch, y'all. $2. Y'all know I couldn't pass that up, y'all. Come on, no. Let me show y'all what I got. Make sure that y'all are paying attention to your grocery stores. If you got nurseries in your area, that's good. Anybody that's got plants. This was at one of my local grocery stores. So I was looking for okra plants. I could start okra seeds, but I know okra takes a while to, get going good. And Home Depot and Lowe's, no, I think it was Home Depot the other day, had okra plants. I went today and y'all, they didn't have none. Okay, then I went to Lowe's, they didn't have none. I called a nursery, they didn't have none. I called this grocery store, they had some. They said they only had about 8 of them, 4-packs left. And I had to go ahead and get on the road and go. Okay, so right here, okra. Okay, these were $1.99 for a 4-pack, $1.99. But it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 okra plants, y'all. 8 okra plants. Good Lord of mine. That is good. That is good. And I know I'm just gonna show y'all what I got from the bags, okay? This one right here, I went for okra and I picked up a couple things. They got the cantaloupe, the muskmelon, $1.99. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 plants. And this 16 plants, y'all. Oh, yes. Then I almost had a flip. When I saw this. I said, come on, I gotta get it. Corn. $1.99. And in here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 corn plants. These are the Silver Queen, okay? I'm still gonna drop seeds, y'all. This is to get going because I've been preparing getting stuff in order, okay? So I got some more corn. This one got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 corns in there. All right. Next, I got sweet banana peppers, and I know I got some of them somewhere because I got plants all up and down side here that I got a pot. Sweet banana pepper, got 4 in there. They weren't playing with that. You gonna get on the phone, okay? What else? I got these yum sweet bell peppers, okay? And I think these is gonna be it's a nearly seedless mini mix. So yeah, these are the ones that the plants give you different color bell peppers, mini bell peppers. I grew these 1 year, maybe 2 years, and they did very well. They did very well, okay? Very well. So I'm happy about that. I know these gonna do good too, cause if it's God's will, these gonna do good, okay? So I got some more silver corn. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, okay? Now all these I'm showing you was $1.99 each. 4-pack, okay? I got tomatoes, but I went on and got some more. These are Parks Wonder, okay? Of course, it's 4 in there. Yep. This one right here. I know you didn't. I know I ain't even got. I know it's a tomato. but I ain't got, I don't know what kind. I know it's a tomato though. Well, I know when it grow and turn red. I know a little bit of what it is, okay? Alright. What? This is corn. It ain't got no thing in it, but I know it's the corn, okay? Alright. Alright. Let's see what else. Okay, I know this right here is more okra. And in here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 okras, okay? So yellow straight neck squash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them, okay? 7 of them. I got a lot of work to do out here, y'all. A lot of work. Alright, let's see. I got some more tomatoes. These are Roma tomato plants, okay? Roma. Alright. And then this was some more okra. We love okra. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in there. Alright. Let me get these right here. Now come on over here. Woo. Come on over here. Silver queen corn. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 is coming up. 7 are possible. Then of course I got some more silver queen corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Alright. And then I got another thing of okra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a possible. 8 are possible, okay? If he come on through. Alright, so $1.99 for a 4-pack, okay? You can't beat that with a stick, alright? You can't beat that with a stick. So what I'm gonna do is I went on to when I was at Home Depot the other day. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this. When I was at Home Depot the other day, I picked up a couple more starts because they was on sale. They was the black container, regular price $2.98. These are tomato plants. This is the big boy tomato plant on sale for 98 cents. It was the black container. Got those. I ended up getting, I think, 3. These are the Husky Cherry Red. 98 cents for the plant. So I couldn't, I couldn't pass that up. Big boy, 98 cents. Okay. Alright, y'all. So $1.99. $1.99. So make sure y'all are checking out y'all places, and y'all are seeing what you can get for you know, a good price or whatnot. And let's get these starts and get this garden together, okay? So with that being said, I'm going to end this video right here, ladybugs. Thank you so much for being part of the AGG family, Amazing Grace Garden. I appreciate it so much. So with that being said, for real this time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that your girl upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one, if it's God's will. Y'all, please be safe. Until next time, love y'all. Bye.